I'm making a Blender movie using nothing but Arealamps. Usually you do modeling, texturing, animation, but I was wondering, is it possible to make a movie only using lights? Well, no, kind of. Let me explain. This is me jumping around like a fool, and you're probably wondering what's happening. I'm going to make my own gobos, or light textures, in DaVinci Resolve and Blender. I'll extract the mask from those videos and then use a light to project it on the big screen. However, we need something for the light to fall on, because if you add a light in Blender, it just remains dark.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So I'm going to do one simple step of modeling, and you can follow along with this 3-second tutorial. Add a plane. Okay, we're done. Great. Now for the texture, we're going to make it black and set the roughness to 1. And we're done. Now it's time to take my goofy videos and extract some light textures. I'm using the magic mask. Click on this button, drink some coffee, and then plug it into a bitmap. And now we have this awesome black and white image. Yeah! So what do we do with this? In Blender, use nodes for your lights. Add an image sequence and fix the rest. We now have our moving light. Awesome, so let's make a movie. You know those game commercials where some dude is being thrown down and starts at level 1? Well, I'm going to take that idea. Fight some dragons, do a shooting scene, steal the Olympian fire and make some sad people happy. Easy, right? Well, no. We need fire, impact hits, level ups, keyframes and sound effects. So we're going to watch this little movie using only a black plane and 70 lights. I hope you aren't expecting too much, because it's just some lights on the plane, bro. Let's watch it. So yes, it is possible to make a Blender movie using only lights and a black plane. And if you want to become a Blender pro in no time, then I highly recommend watching this video next.